not used in the TV show. I don't believe this was used, but it's the General E. Lee and the Dukes of Hazzard. So it'd be kind of cool to see inside this, to see if it, even if it is a replica, what it would look like. And so that's kind of the dashboard, and yeah, that's neat. So look inside of what it would look like. Yeah, it's kind of tight leg room back there. Definitely not the most comfortable ride when you're doing wheelies and driving up and down the road in car chases, launching midair.